In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate square feet in Google Sheets. If you're working with room dimensions, flooring estimates, or any kind of area measurement, Google Sheets makes it very easy to calculate square footage automatically. The basic idea is simple. You multiply the length by the width, and Sheets does the math for you. To begin, open Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet where your measurements are stored. You should already have your data visible, with one column for one measurement and another column for the second measurement. In this example, we're using values in columns A and B, which will be multiplied together to find the square footage. Next, select the data so you can clearly see the values you'll be working with. This helps you confirm that the measurements are in the correct cells before you enter your formula. It's always a good idea to quickly double check that your length and width values are numeric and lined up in the same row. That way, the result will be accurate. Now click on a blank cell where you want the square footage result to appear. This is important because the formula needs its own space to display the answer. Usually you'll place it in the same row as the measurements, so everything stays organized and easy to read. Once that blank cell is selected, enter the formula. In Google Sheets, every formula starts with an equals sign. That tells Sheets you want to calculate something instead of just typing plain text. For this example, type equals A2 times B2. Written as a spreadsheet formula, that is A2, B2. This formula tells Google Sheets to take the value in cell A2 and multiply it by the value in cell B2. If A2 contains the length and B2 contains the width, the result will be the square feet for that row. After typing the formula, press Enter. Google Sheets will instantly calculate the result and display it in the cell you selected. This gives you the square footage based on the two measurements in A2 and B2. If your sheet contains more rows of measurements, keeping the data aligned consistently will make your calculations easier to manage. Also, make sure all measurements use the same unit, since square feet only makes sense when both values are in feet. And that's it. That's how to calculate square feet in Google Sheets using a simple multiplication formula. Once you understand this basic method, it becomes a quick and reliable way to calculate area directly inside your spreadsheet.